Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, so in today's video, we will learn UI module. So in this UI module, we will basically start from Bootstrap. Okay, so here we will learn Bootstrap. Bootstrap is really easy. It is not really hard. That's why I'm starting from Bootstrap, right? So let's learn. Okay, so the first question is, what is Bootstrap? Okay, so what is a bootstrap, right? So before starting with bootstrap, we must have simple understanding like what is the mean of what bootstrap do and what's the literally mean of bootstrap. So we can say bootstrap bootstrap is a powerful CSS framework. Okay, all right, that helps to design and build responsive responsive web application. Okay, so if I'm saying responsive web applications, so what's the mean of responsive? Like if you're creating a website for the computer, or basically we can say if you are creating a website for desktop environment, so that website must be suitable for mobile devices as well. So it is mean responsive. All right. Okay, so in this lecture, first we will see like how to work with bootstrap, how to work with bootstrap. Okay, or we can say how to start working with bootstrap. All right. So first of all, we need to download Bootstrap, right? Okay. So firstly, what we will do, we will create our folder first. Okay. So for example, here it is my UI folder. Okay. This is what UI folder. Inside this folder, I will create a folder having name Bootstrap. Bootstrap, right? So I will open this folder in VS Code. You must have VS Code, right? VS Code. So I'll open this folder on Bootstrap. I'll go to the file, open folder, right? And where is the folder? Here, okay, for step Python and the UI module. Okay, then okay, so here is our Bootstrap folder, right? So here we will create a file. Let's close it. So here I will create a file index.html. Okay, I'll create index.html. So now I will write this symbol. I will type this symbol. Okay, that is also called not operator. So the moment I will press enter, so automatically boiler template will come. Okay, this pre-written code is also known as boiler template. Okay, so here in this head section, this is what head section, right? So this is what head section. Here in head section, we will insert bootstrap CDN link. Okay, so how we will get bootstrap CDN link? CDN means content delivery network. All right, so here we will search bootstrap. Okay, I will go here, right? Okay, so here is the CDN link. Here is the CDN link, right? All right. So what we will do, we will copy this link by clicking here simply. All right. So this is CDN link of Bootstrap. I will paste this link here, right? Like this, right? And I'll copy another link, which is JavaScript, because in Bootstrap you will get the JavaScript functionality as well, right? So I'll copy this and I'll paste this here in last before closing tag of body, right? So here is our two CDN link. Which first one is related to CSS and second one is related to JavaScript, right? Now here you can check, here you can write H1. All right, like you can say hello world. Okay, so here you can start your live server. Okay, if you have extension of live server, then you can on the live server as well go to live. Okay. If it is not working, then what is the second method? What we can do? Okay, we will go to the location, copy path. Okay, why I'm copy, like we have to go to the same location where we have created the folder. Okay, so this is in D drive and tab, not tab, but full stack Python UI module and Bootstrap. Here we have our file. We will double click on it. It will open. Okay, so means successfully Bootstrap is linked with our document. All right. Now we will learn. Now we will learn adding classes. Adding classes in Bootstrap. All right. What are the heading classes are there in Bootstrap? We will learn. Right. So like if you want to write heading classes, so you can write like this. So in H1, you can write class H1, right? And H1 like H2 heading class, and you can write here class H2. Okay, and you can see difference between H1 and H2. So H1 is large and H2 is smaller, and you can check if you want to write. So you can follow this trick like H1 dot H3, right? So this is what H3 heading classes, H3 heading classes, right? So like H1 is larger, and H3 is like smaller, right? So H1 dot H4 we can write H4 heading classes, right? You can write up to H6, right? H1 dot H H5, right? H5 heading classes. Okay, so what you can do, you can practice with me. Don't just watch this video. Practice along with me, right? H6 as well. H6 heading classes, right? So like that, we can see the difference. Okay, here I write the hello word, but I have to write like H1 heading class or classes, whatever you want to write, you can write. We are just checking. We are not like practice here grammar. Okay, all right. Okay, so like this, you can write this Bootstrap heading classes. Okay, I'm pasting it here. You can practice later. Later, okay. So let me paste it here. Okay, now we will learn display classes. Okay, display classes. Right, right. Okay, so what are the like what are the display classes? So you can say like basically display classes are used to creating large and more prominent headings. Okay, so you can check. See, for example, if I write here h1 dot display I okay display dash 1, right? So I'm writing here display 1, right? You can see the difference. Let me refresh it. So this is the display one. All right. So automatically font is larger because we are using Bootstrap. Okay, we are using Bootstrap framework, which gives us automatic, or we can say already created classes, right? Now like there is another class which is h1 to h1 dot display 2, right? Display 2. All right. So now see the difference between display 1 and display 2. Okay, like that we have how many classes? Like that we have 6 classes. So I'm writing here h1 dot display display 3, okay, display 3. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so let me copy this and I'll paste it here. Right, 4, and this one is 5, and this one is 6. Right, so here I also change display 4 is a bootstrap class. Okay, the CSS code of this class is already written inside the bootstrap frame. Right, so like that you can use these classes based on your project need. Right, let me copy it and let me paste it for you so that you can use for the practice purpose. Now we will learn leading text and alignment. Right, leading text and alignment we will learn. Right, okay, so what are the leading text? Leading text and alignment. Bootstrap provide classes to style paragraphs as lead text and to align text. Lead text stand out more than regular text. Okay, and alignment classes help to position text as needed. All right, so here we will write like p tag. Okay, for example, if you are not thinking, if you are not able to think like what to write, then what you can do, you can use this trick. You can write here lorem 3, so you can see 3 words, and if you will write lorem 10, then you will get 10 words. Right, so I will write here lorem 4. Right, so you can see here, so this is normal paragraph tag. Right, now what I will write, now I will write p dot lead. Okay, I'm using lead class. So here this is a lead paragraph. Right, so can you see the difference between both? Okay, so this is normal paragraph and this is the lead paragraph. Right, now we have like, we can write p dot lead dot text. Okay, left, like this, lead then space text, text dash left. Right, now you will see this is left aligned text. Okay, you can practice with me. Right, okay, what's the mistake we have done? Lead text left, lead text. Okay, so this is the left side. Okay, this is the left side. I was being confused. Okay, this is the left side, and you can write here, like for example, if I'm copying it, okay, if I write here right, then it will come from right direction. Okay, what's the mistake? Okay, instead of right, we need to write end here. Okay, so it is coming from here, right? Okay, and one more thing you can write. This one is for here. You can write center also. Okay, left text center text end. Okay, like this. Got it or not? Okay, first you need to practice this. Later you will know how, if you're creating a project and you need to adjust the text somewhere on the screen, then definitely you can get idea from here. That's why we are doing this practice. Later we will do, we will create projects as well, UI based, front end based, right? And after this we will definitely move to the React, right? Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here for you guys. Okay, awesome. All right, so you can practice this code later. Right, now we have text decoration and font weight. All right, text decoration and font weight. Okay, so what is the text decoration and what is the classes inside the text decoration? Let's learn that. Okay, let me save this first. Here we have to save this. Link docs. Okay, here stack Python UI module Bootstrap. Here, Bootstrap docs. Let me write name Bootstrap docs. Right. So here let me write the code related to the decoration. Okay, so bootstraps include classes for text decoration and font weight to easily style text with underlines, stick through, and different font weights. Okay, so let's see. So this is what, like, this is normal text. Okay, let's check it. So this is what a normal text, right? Now we will use decoration classes. So let me write here p dot text decoration. Okay, and for example, I'm writing here underline. Okay, and I'm writing here lorem 4, right? So can you see the difference? Here underline is coming. So this is what text decoration. Okay, and one more thing, what another class is p dot, and we can write here text dot text decoration. Okay, line through. Right, this text has strike through. Right, so this text is strike through the C like this. Okay, and we have another class which is p dot fw, means font weight hyphen bold. Okay, this is bold text. Okay, let's see here. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, so these are the classes related to text decoration and font weight, right? Right. Let me copy this code. Let me quickly paste this code here. Right. This is for your practice purpose. Okay. Later you can do practice. Now we will discuss about text color. Okay. So what are the text color provided by the Bootstrap? Right. So we will see one by one. Right? Okay. So first is if you will write p dot primary. Okay. So this is the color class which is primary color. Okay. Primary color. All right. And the second, okay, just check this, check the output. Okay, so we have to write here not only primary, but we have to specify this is primary color is for text. Okay, so this is a primary color as you can see here, right? Next one is p dot, okay, p dot text, and this one is secondary, right? Like this. All right, and let me copy it and let me paste it few times, and we will change the color. So this one is info, okay, and this one is warning, right here also. Okay, warning, and the next color is danger, right? Let me write the name danger. Okay, after that we have another color which is success, right? After that we have text muted, right? So muted color, right? Like this, you can check the difference between classes colors. Okay, based on your need, you can use any color. Okay, based on your project need, you can use. All right. Okay, so in the next video, we will learn background color. The next video we will discuss background color. Till then, practice this all. Okay, whatever I did here, you can practice, right? It is not very difficult. All right, so you can practice, right? It's all about practice. The more you will practice, the more you will get knowledge in coding, right? So thank you everyone for watching this video and giving your valuable time. Thank you.